Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create Traveler ID on Skyscanner. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create a Traveler ID on Skyscanner. Maybe because you're going to plan on a trip, but before you want to enter your traveling details on the app so that in case of any inconvenience, they could track you out. Or there could be any other reason for you to create your traveler ID on Skyscanner. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create your traveler ID on Skyscanner. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Skyscanner app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. First, it will ask you some of the permissions, so you may allow it or deny it, and then you will see its actual interface. At the top, you will see the title of Skyscanner, and then you will see different options almost all over the screen from top to bottom. You will see different places. Right now, we are in the home section. Other than that, we have two options as well, which are trips and profile. So, if you want to create your traveler ID, you have to go to your profile, which is at the right bottom side of the screen. Here it also has an icon which is similar to a person. That means this option is called profile. So you just have to simply tap on it and then you will land into your profile page. Once you get here, first you will read the title of profile and there you will see different options. So from all these options, you just have to simply click on the right option, which is your profile icon, or you could say profile ID. Once you click on it, here we have different options. So from all these options, you have to click on this option which says traveler info. Once you click on it, it says add a traveler. So here just simply click on add a traveler. So now here what we have to do is that you have to enter your first name, you have to enter your second name, you have to choose your gender, add your date of birth, and then you have to add your nationality. Here you have to make sure that you enter your correct information, and after that just simply click on next. Once you do that, here it will ask you to enter your some of the documentations. So just simply scan your documents and then add here. After that, you will see this interface. So here we added only one traveler. Likewise, if you're traveling with your family, so you can create traveler ID for your whole family one by one. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create traveler ID on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.